commodity, affecting demand of a commodity. I hope all of you have understood what is the definition of elasticity of demand and how will you make definition of this elasticity, definition of this elasticity and definition of this elasticity. Means I hope all of you have learned it. See, after this please pause the video and note down this. See, after this, types of elasticity of demand. See, types of elasticity of demand. See, first, price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand. Second, cross elasticity of demand. Third, income elasticity of demand. Income elasticity of demand. Now see, this is clear. See, but always remember, now cross elasticity of demand and income elasticity of demand are not included in our syllabus. Means only we have to study a price elasticity of demand. Now we are going to discuss price elasticity of demand, because this elasticity of demand and this elasticity of demand are not included in our syllabus. So we will study only, we can say we will study price elasticity of demand only. Now I hope all of you have understood. See, now after this, see, types of elasticity demand now, because we will study price elasticity of demand according to our syllabus. Now, what is price elastic demand means? It refers to the percentage change in quantity demanded of a commodity due to percentage change in price of the given commodity. See, this is the definition of price elasticity of demand. See, what is the formula? See, you can see here, elastic demand refers to the, price elastic demand refers to the percentage change in quantity demanded of a commodity due to percentage change in price of the given commodity. See, what is the formula of price elasticity demand? See, ED represents means price elasticity of demand. ED represents price elasticity of demand. You can say elasticity of demand. See, elasticity of demand, you can say price elasticity of demand. See, percentage. See, please pause the, see, percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Please pause the video and note down this. See my dear, elasticity of demand. This is definition of elasticity of demand, and we have discussed types of elasticity of demand, and now we have discussed what is the formula of price elasticity of demand. But see, now elasticity means methods to measure price elasticity of demand. Methods to measure price elasticity of demand. See, first method is percentage method. First method is percentage method. Next method is proportionate method. Third method, geometric method. Fourth method is total expenditure method. Now see, means there are 4 methods to measure price elasticity of demand, and you know that price elasticity of demand is a part of elasticity of demand. See, and we are, because as you know that we are studying only means price elasticity demand only because in our syllabus this elasticity of demand is included. See, now percentage method, second method proportionate method, third geometric method, and fourth total expenditure method. And always remember, see, but according to our syllabus we will discuss only this. According to our syllabus we will discuss percentage method and proportionate method, means we will not discuss geometric method and total expenditure method. So I hope all of you have understood, means we will discuss percentage method only and proportion method only. See, now we will not discuss geometric method and total expenditure method. Please pause the video and note down this. See, what is the definition of percentage method? It refers to the ratio of percentage change in quantity demanded of a commodity to percentage change in price of the given commodity. See, now see, what is the formula of price elasticity demand according to percentage method? All of you know that. See, ED means price elasticity of demand, because ED represents price elasticity of demand. See, percentage change in quantity demanded and, or you can say percentage change in price. So this is the formula of ED, means see it. Now suppose percentage change in quantity demanded, suppose I am assuming here percentage change in quantity demanded is equal to X and percentage change in price is equal to Y. So I can write this fraction into this form, X ratio Y. See, it refers to the ratio of percentage change in, X means percentage change in quantity demanded of a commodity, 2 means for divide you will use 2. For divide you will use 2. 2 percentage change in price of the given commodity. So this is the definition of percentage method and this is the formula of percentage method. But see, now you know that how will you calculate, for suppose if percentage change in quantity demanded is not given. Suppose percentage change in quantity demand. Suppose percentage change in quantity demanded is not given. So how will you calculate? How will you calculate? See. Percentage change in QD means delta Q divided by Q into 100. Delta Q means, see, delta Q means change in quantity, or you can write here, see, delta Q means change in quantity. Change in quantity is equal to, how will you calculate delta Q means, delta shows change, delta shows change in quantity, Q means quantity. So Q1 minus Q, Q1 minus Q, Q1 means new quantity, Q means initial, or you can say old quantity. See, Q1 means new quantity, Q means initial or old quantity. Suppose, see, suppose old quantity is 100 units, old quantity is 100 units and new quantity is 200 units. How many units? 100 units. So you can calculate here delta Q. You can calculate here delta Q. Delta Q, what is the formula of delta Q? See here, delta Q is equal to Q1 minus Q. Q1 minus Q. So Q1 minus Q means 200 minus 100 means 100. So delta Q is 100. But suppose you want to calculate percentage change in quantity demanded. So percentage change in quantity demanded means, see, now delta Q means 100. Delta Q means 100 divided by Q. Q means initial quantity is 100 into 100. So 100 to 100 cancel. Now see, remain 100 means 100%. See, so percentage change in quantity demanded is 100%. So I hope all of you have understood. How will you, suppose percentage change in quantity demanded is not given, then how will you calculate this percentage change in quantity demand? Means what is the formula of percentage change in quantity demanded? Delta Q divided by Q into 100. Delta Q means, delta means change, delta means change in quantity. What is the formula of delta Q? Q1 minus Q. Q1 means new quantity, Q means initial or old quantity. Suppose let's take a numerical example. Let's take a numerical example to understand this formula. See, initial quantity is 100 units and new quantity is 200 units. See, delta Q means here, delta Q means Q1 minus Q. So Q1 minus Q means 100 units. See, now you want to calculate percentage change in quantity demanded. Delta Q means 100 units and Q means initial quantity. So you will take here 100 and into 100. So 100 will be cancelled and remain 100. So 100% means percentage change in quantity demanded according to this numerical example means 100%. So I